Omashada fan ni audios decades e dey go on. Eji no mu puchi ban.
Yeah, because grassroots president, real one near Dr. Baumia. And your social media for the Nibia. Yeah, come be a grassroots president, Dr. Baumia. Hey,
I say, I feel no Dr. Baumia. Say, dear, Yenia Bemubi. Yenia Bemubi, Meboa.
Yeah.
Yenia Bemubi. Dayem bisa say, Yenia Bemubi, no, say, no, I feel no be able, Missy, I feel unia, or not Babe.
Unse adenta kumia dance ye bi no be difa Dr. Baumia no sa utie ye bi. Oso party ni mo call ye krampo no. Edru ne birthday nipa wodi na ti a wodi free party. Wan wish no mpo wan friend mpo be Dr. Baumia friend no. E wish no.
Papa ma so hu say ebusuafo mi chiecham. De wo mo ne say hu say party yo no. Enye sika anase bibia o ana de party o. The we are
yeah, there will be ase. Now you call conference no me who no grounds or no. I don't think say no me who no TikTok yeah. Because you call you know when for no my ati ase say asundua ba party ni my de. Tinka yinya personal attacks no ma me kwa ba bi ba ho sa. And yeah, as nkofo bi hwe you call conference no omo hwe grounds ni normal you call so grounds wa. Ya anya campaign ye bet utwa mu nkofo ho ensema nkofo keka na who say Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia eyibi wesi
ne who sent na jibe bia
maba social media still na omosan attack papa no na ma hwa ni nua ni video no ni nua na no person be MP oba antima no ma hwa video bi obobo gi bi say even the Miracles Abuaje kwa wasi Miracles Abuaje ni career the career and a lot of things no can
wow.
Because Miracles Abuaje na komi omuni career until or ya nkofo bi on pese Kennedy be border themselves on them and
no career no Ralph
no personal attack that we are talking about no omonyo omadwe so mbejai enti ya se beto aso ya de ya bi zenke bejai doctor nkofo because doctor say on pass we because papa no bejina ona wo yi see we o san yi see it means say o pass your penkabom but papa bi de and am say wo meye proud bearer o meye presidential biada wo meye minister biada na ya conference na former vice president former flag bearer abekasa eno ne nkofo so mo ntiase na TikTok na media to. But Matia DBS they not the voice I can't say picture the voice of it. Then I'm going to doctor picture if you want. Voice the catcher and say me class on that day na me shalom na we shalom. Tana gonna me buofu pa me kasa on the platform no so pa kontokwa. But and then me to na who them they na me call a conference na ye bo papa ni dinya time I was solely you know omo ye introduction omo bo papa ni di kepelo. Omo papa ni am kaza le na me sha no we sha na yemu dia o ye ne dey o pekula ko fa de o peso ye no wiase nyina doctor o ye dey papa no o lead o be lead and uni mo antana ye me sere ne say o be say yi from Voma be say mponko o twa yi twabo mponko asema akokan all because of the mentality among ko yes all because of obi a former vice president and a man police convoy and a police motor dinani also who do a bia enti by force so nya ponko convoy ana enti by force so nya ponko convoy na akofa ponko
no so ba na mo why you confused
over Mrs. Tanono and enti obi kofa ponko convoy and your respective will be so a former vice president and your man motors police motors me and said din anim sanet here and we doctor picture no what you doctor picture no or your former vice president of Ghana and you can't take that from me and on the man advantage of soleko kasai na papa ne kasai we you know I think that Kennedy no people so ama Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia. Ono me no kale sa me Kennedy anya me wan say e be 2 days 3 days to election obe resign to say the Kwabena 4 year mahama no. Anya me wan so papa no resign step down and also step aside anya me wan. Me make because the mimi who say am because ono no why so tiase say ground dead course on the grounds on the nsema nkofo kan people will not just shouting hey a man for shouting no more shout omo de kaka say obi say me ku me hu kura ma doctor ba me ku be ya ma doctor ba bia be ye entiatia hu no mo tiatia mu no they are not just doing yeah ba obi an beba enya sa eno kwa no mo ko people are saying say when some obi can say no change umpo say obi be ka say umpo it means that the person no when the time say obi any $300 billion kura na de obe ya no be this is the kind of shouting and for out on our grounds
almost say they ni na Dr. Kochie sika ma wo
and I'm a doctor Chiamekana. And there is part of their propaganda. Omunya di omo propaganda no bibiom baby omunya na obibia so clearly king camp omunim ba no kwen no omo
nda say dey ne baba no so abu asim pa me se ntoko ne me pa
even king camp omunim say Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia ebi but ade bi no person wo ye no wo kire say party no powerful party nkeke no person yes opeso show eno ne keke but ono anim say Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia be win ni say unu abra champion cramp so obenya 50
Brian Party Kennedy lead by 15
and as of say yeah Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia there obi win baby we win papa we and enya me wawa remember my yakoba no so nyankopon ya there do you know say me ba ya na me nya call who say me ba ho your call enkran be hu me MP ba me be duru fie na me nya
e pa cho me ntwa no pa cho mo twa ba afanyo marking
omo se afanyo ayede
omo se afanyo se na danfo pa ne Kennedy so omo se afanyo ne Bawumia na
omo jimi omo ni se afanyo ye leader wa hu leader no be yi na nim wa hu afo ye kan leader omo nti ase wa hu ye ka to be ye leader omo nti ase wa hu
Remember, so you meda Mama Ghana Jollof for ne Mama Mary Unina because program na call ni koye interview me Ghana rep was a GH rep for and oko comment section one only that all because of some blast or MDC and sad and so alen came here man be do for the nyako free the MP inti no so on opportunity be a and okomo ni be dey go pon kwa na ebia and as it stands now there yeah Dumaden say so be am so kwanta there anya Dr. Mahmood Bawumia between 95% and was that constituency really na you boy you call for there catch them politics is not about attacking personality politics is not about attacking personality you boy you call for months adenase okay another kwaku fado obey flag bearer ana obi ni ye